Welcome back to my channel Lomzy Sews. In today's sewing tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this bubu top with scrub neckline. It's a very simple tutorial. Now let's go. So first of all, I folded my fabric into two. What I have here is 2 yards of fabric, and then I have this leftover piece from the trouser I made. So I'm going to keep that aside. So like I said, this has been folded into two, salvage to salvage. Do you get? And then you fold it yardage wise into 4. So now this is 2 yards folded into 2. Now you can see this side is on fold. Can you see? The two sides are on fold, and this side is also on fold. That's how you want to have it. And then you get the length of the top. You can make it 36, 32, or whatever your preference is. For amount of fabric you need, get your shoulder divided by 2 plus how long you want the sleeve to be. It can be 12 inches or more. Then for the neckline, you're going to get 3.5 inches. This is the neck width. For the neck depth for the back, make it 1 inch. And then you connect the two lines in a curve like this. So this is going to be for the back. For the front, you're going to get the neck depth of 8 inches. 8 inches is max. So you're going to mark it like this. And on that 8 inches for the front, you're going to mark 1/2 inch for us to make this scrub neckline. So you're going to connect this to the shoulder like this, and this is going to be the neckline for the front. So you go ahead and connect it that way. And then guys, this bubu top is ready. Trust me, it's beginners friendly, and you can see how step by step I took you on how to cut this. So after cutting the back, lift off the fabric and then cut the front. Then at the front, make sure you maintain that 1/2 inch. If not, your scrub neck will not align properly. So make sure this remains 1/2 inch, depending on the width of your scrub. So this is it. Next thing we're going to do is the sleeve, where your hand is going to come out from the side seam. So I just drew this so that you will see what I'm doing. So here, you're going to mark the width of your sleeve, your round sleeve. I want it to be 10 inches. You can make it 11. That's max for all sizes. And then you're going to notch it like this. Trust me, this bubu top is a one size fits all, no matter your size. Then you're going to open up this. I'm going to show you how the neckline is. So we're going to prepare for the scrub neckline. You see how the neckline is. So I'm going to turn it over like this so that you see what I'm doing. Your scrub neckline depends on the space that you have. So here, what I have here is 5 inches. Let me show you. It's 5 inches, right? And that's because we have made the scrub to be 1 inch. So you're going to fold your fabric into 2 like this. For the placket, sew it all the way like so. So if you want the placket to be bigger than this, then the neckline will be bigger. So here it is. You can see I didn't measure anything when I'm cutting the placket. Just make as long as it will cover the neckline. So I go ahead and cut this place off after sewing it. I used another color of thread so that you guys will see what I'm sewing. So you can see where the thread is. Bring it closer, you see. You're going to notch just the fabric, not the placket. Notch it to get to where that thread stopped. You do the same thing on the other side. This is the secret to your scrub neckline. You have to notch to where that thread stops. Do you understand? Yeah. So this is it. After cutting it, you can see So this is basically what you need. You don't need to go and iron it or do anything. By the time you push this in, the scrub neckline will align very clean. So let me just show you what I'm doing at the back. Just go ahead and push out that placket out, and that V, you see that V or Y shape. Just when you do this, you see the scrub neckline aligns very clean. See how simple it is. So all you need to do is just flip it over and sew it so that you have a very clean finished neckline. So here I'm going to take this up like this and sew it, but let me show you where I'm sewing. Here that I have marked, don't worry, I'll mark it very well so you will see. Just this place, that's what you're going to sew. You see where I have marked? Sew that place. So I'll go ahead and sew it here and show you guys. So this is it after sewing it. As simple as that. You see? So this Bubu top is the easiest top you can make and make money out of this. So guys, make sure to try this out, add it to your ready to wear design. You will love it. So you see how neat the scrub neckline is. I haven't even ironed it. And it's neat like this. So make sure you overlock the plackets. So let's go over to the side. Remember, we notched where our sleeve is going to come out from. So at this side, make sure to align that notch that we have made, and then you're going to close the side seam. So to close the side seam, starting from the notch that you made, you're going to come in. This is where the notch is, right? You're going to sew 1 inch inside that way. And then you're going to hem this. It will give you that side slit effect. Then you go ahead and hem the lower part. And this Bubu top with scrub neckline is ready, guys. You see how neat it is? Just go ahead and iron out, and it's looking all beautiful. If you have been wanting to watch how to make a simple Bubu top, this is the tutorial for you. So this is the outcome of the top we just made. Very nice, right? Yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and make sure to join my membership. That's how you support my channel. Thank you.